Hello and welcome back. It's Matthew Graves here, helping you again to be able to earn a reliable online income. And you know what? I just want to say today, this is not rocket science that we're doing here. It's very easy to get distracted by all of the different things that the people that are trying to sell you stuff um, in the make money online area want you to purchase from them. So they have this cool gadget over there, or that cool gadget over there, or this new tool that will do amazing things and make you money, or this new program that is the one you've been waiting for all along that is going to ultimately be your savior to be able to make money online. But the reality is that this is not rocket science. It doesn't require a ton of tools. What it requires is that you think about this as a human being. Ultimately, if you want to make money online, you're going to make money online by selling somebody something. So it may be a product that you create, a course, an ebook, something like that. It might be a product or a program that you're an affiliate of, that when you send someone there using your special affiliate link and they make a purchase, you earn part of the sale as a commission. You might be an affiliate marketer. You might sell your own products. But ultimately, in the end, the only time that money is made is when money transfers hands. So ultimately, your ability to be able to get someone to take action, to buy something, is the value that you are adding from point of view of trying to sell a product, and that's where you get paid. So then you have to look at it in reverse and say, well, what do you need to do? Or what do you need to set in place to be able to recommend a product to someone and have them want to buy it? And the reality of that situation is this is human psychology now. This is not some magic gadget or some special program. It's a question of one person wanting to buy something that another person recommends. And the real magic in that is not great sales copy. The real magic in that is trust. If they trust you that what you're recommending is going to help them solve a problem or accomplish a goal, then they'll buy it. Trust is something that is very underrated in this process. So if you need people to trust you in order for you to be able to make a recommendation and have them take action on it, then how do you build that trust? And that is the whole process, the whole foundation of what I talk about when I talk about creating audiences or email lists and then getting them to know, like, and trust you. You need to get people to know, like, and trust you so that they will listen to what you have to say. And it doesn't matter if you're building that audience in an email list or you're building it on Facebook or YouTube or TikTok. It doesn't matter how you reach the people. What's important is that you're focused on creating a relationship with people of trust. And you get people to trust you by acting trustworthy, by showing them that you can actually help them with the problem they have. So if you want to sell something in the area of weight loss, then help them lose weight before they buy it. Give them diet tips, give them exercise tips, help to keep them motivated. Educate, entertain, and motivate them so that they feel like this is someone who can really help me with this goal of losing 20 pounds that I have. And if by following the free advice that you're sharing with your email list or you're sharing online enables them to lose a pound or two, then when you say, hey, do you want to take this course that I've created that's going to help you lose 10 pounds in the next 30 days? They'll say, hey, this person is an authority. This person I trust to know what's going on. Trust isn't something that's given to you the first time they see your sales page for your weight loss program. Trust is something you develop because we're humans. We're humans, and we all build relationships the same way, whether it's face to face or whether it's online or whether it's with someone who you trust to speak into your life and give you advice. We build that trust by repeated interactions. That's why getting people onto an email list is important, because once they're on your email list, now they've given you permission to speak to them, to send them messages. And yes, they're not going to read everyone. And you're going to connect with some of the people who join your list, and other people are going to unsubscribe. Other people are not going to be interested in the message that you share. And that's fine, because you're looking for your people. You're looking for the people who do like what you talk about. I'm not here doing these videos or sending emails to my list trying to attract people who are interested in speculating in cryptocurrency. I'm never going to talk about that. I'm never going to recommend that. If that's someone's path that they see to riches, I'm not their person. They should unsubscribe. If that's what you think, you should unsubscribe. But I suspect because you're here and you're still watching this video a few minutes in, that what I'm saying makes sense, because it does make sense, because we're humans and we know how humans work. This isn't rocket science. It's psychology. Think about what makes you want to buy from other people. Think about what makes you make that decision to say, this is someone I trust and this is someone who I don't trust. And then behave in a way with your audience that is going to have them be trusting of you. Be honest with them, be authentic with them, actually help them. Don't just try to sell them. Help to deliver results for them in advance of them actually becoming a paying customer. And some of them will want to go deeper. They will want more help from you than what you give away for free. And those people will become your customers. Those people will pay to get that extra attention, to go deeper. You're not going to be able to make a significant amount of sales to strangers. Most people who are online, be it a direct consumer brand or an expert or somebody who sells courses or an influencer, they make most of their money by selling to the same group of people over and over and over again. I've been telling people for years that I make greater than 50% of my income online, and I've been doing this for 22 years, from a group of 100 people. I have tens of thousands of people that belong to my programs. I've signed up over 1 million people to my email list over the last 20 years. But it's 100 people that make up the majority of the income that comes from my business to support my family. Those 100 people are my super fans. They're the people who have the deepest connection with me, and they're the people who want me to help them solve their problems. They believe and they trust that I can do that, and they're willing to buy, some of them, virtually everything I sell. And that relationship that I have with them, that I've built by taking care of them and by putting what they need first, is what enables me to be able to earn income because I built the relationship first and the income came later after that trust was built. And yet everyone who's out there and seems to be trying to make money online is always like, how can I make money today? It's not how you can make money today. It's how you can set yourself up and how you can build an asset in this online audience that you're creating that is going to allow you to make consistent money in the future. It's the work that you're doing today that is going to pay off for your future self. It's the work that I'm doing today that's not going to make me money today, but is going to help to pay future Matthew's bills. And the more that you're working on that, what happens is the future always comes. If we're lucky enough to still be here on this planet, then 1 year from now is going to happen, whether we do the work today to make it great a year from now, or whether we waste our time and a year from now we're in the same position. So if you think about the future and you think about future you and what you can do today that's going to pay off, that's building that audience. That's building that group of people and getting them to know, like, and trust you. Because that is the asset that is going to pay your future self. When you have that trust, when you have added enough value and shown that you can actually help people with their problems, they will pay you to get that help. That's how to make money ethically. It's how to make money reliably. And it's how to make money for the long term. And of course, it's how to make money and still be able to sleep at night because you're not signing people up for junk that you know they're not going to use. You're not getting people to buy something just because you can. You're getting them to buy it because it's going to help them. And that is a great way to be able to make money online. So just remember, this isn't rocket science. This isn't the latest gadget. It's about relationships. It's about trust. And if you think about that as a human and what you can do to help build that in the people that you hope will be your future customers, you'll be miles ahead of 99% of the people that are here that are trying to make money online. I hope that helps. And remember that you have to take action to supercharge your success.